Can you revoke a GPOA if capacity is questioned? Imagine trusting someone with your important decisions, then later wondering if they still should have that power. That's where the question about revoking a general power of attorney comes in. If you're thinking about whether you can take back that authority, especially if your mental ability is in doubt, here's what you need to know. A general power of attorney is a legal document that lets someone act on your behalf for financial or legal matters. You can revoke it at any time if you are mentally competent. To do this, you usually need to tell your agent in writing or verbally, and it's best to give a formal written notice. You should also destroy the original document to prevent confusion. It's important to notify banks, healthcare providers, or anyone relying on the GPOA so they know it's no longer valid. But what if your mental capacity is questioned? If someone doubts whether you are able to understand what revoking the GPOA means, then you might not be able to do it yourself. In such cases, you cannot simply tell your agent to stop acting on your behalf. Instead, family members or interested parties can ask a court to step in. They can petition the court to revoke or override the GPOA if they believe you are no longer capable of making such decisions. The court will review evidence and decide if you lack the mental ability to revoke the document. If the court finds you are incapacitated, it might appoint a guardian or conservator to manage your affairs. This person can then revoke or replace the GPOA on your behalf. The process involves legal steps, including filing paperwork and providing proof of your incapacity. Courts tend to act in your best interest and will only revoke the GPOA if there is clear evidence that it's necessary. Creating a new power of attorney that states it revokes previous ones can also be a way to cancel an old GPOA. But again, this only works if you have the mental capacity to do so. Notarizing the revocation document adds extra legal strength. In elder law and estate planning, it's vital to handle revocations carefully. If your capacity is in question, seeking legal advice and court intervention is often the safest route. This helps protect your rights and ensures your wishes are respected. So, in short, if your mental ability is challenged, you cannot revoke a GPOA yourself. Instead, the court must step in to make that decision for you.